Hello, everyone. My name is Dr. Sneha. I'm a palliative physician and founder of Ori Kalankini. Ori Kalankini is an organization that's changing narratives on menstruation and sexuality in India. This series is called Art and Activism series, and we have Monica today singing Kabir for us because what can be more radical than Kabir, right? So, Monica is a little bit about her. Monica has a PhD in immunology. She left her research in order to follow her heart, got cancer as a gift to move closer to herself, and is still moving on, bit by bit, more closer. Kabir's words started to come alive gradually for her as the learnings through the cancer went on. So I would like to give the mic to Monica to take over this session today. Thank you, Monica. Thank you so much for coming with us.
Thank you so much, Sneha, and namaste to everyone. I'm really glad to have this opportunity here to share Kabir with you. So I think Sneha had already shared. So it was only through cancer that I started to come closer to myself. Else I was just scattered in the world all around, my thoughts, my feelings, my sensations. And only through the phase when cancer appeared, the words of Kabir started to come alive for me. And even now, after many years, they are still like exposing their deeper layers. It's like an endless process, it seems. It's I can never say that okay, now we have understood Kabir. It's not possible because it's deepening. The process is really ever deepening. So today I like I'd like this opportunity to share some Kabir dohas and their interpretations for our usual daily normal lives, and also a few bhajans where Kabir warns us and signals us to this deeper essence that we are made of.
Monica, just a moment. I'll do some setting here. I'll get back. Yes, thank you.
So some dohas. ज्यों तिल माही तेल है और ज्यों चकमक में आग, तेरा साईं तुझ में है, तू जाग सके तो जाग. So Kabir says that which is not visible. For example, when you look at til, the oil within the til seed is not visible. Just like that, a stone has inherent fire in it, but it's not visible. Tera sai tujh mein hai, your deeper essence, your fire is within you. The divine essence is within you. If you really want to wake up to it, you can. But you need a will to wake up to it. दौड़त दौड़त दौड़िया जहाँ लगी मन की दौड़, दौड़ थके मन स्थिर भया, तो वस्तु ठौर की ठौर. So here he says that our mind keeps on running after things, people, situations, possessions. And once it is just too tired that, I'm still not getting what I am looking for, then when the mind rests now in its futility, in the efforts, futile efforts, then it realizes that what it was ever seeking was always present within. But somehow for us humans, it has to, we all have our journeys, तो थकना बहुत जरूरी है, दौड़ दौड़ के भाग भाग के थकना बहुत जरूरी है. Otherwise we never realize that we did not need all that, or maybe we needed all that to come back to our own home. So अगर हम बैठे ही रहेंगे, कोई चीज के आफ्टर सीख नहीं करेंगे, then we are always in the tamas, in inertia. So then we cannot reach anywhere. Even closer to ourselves, we cannot reach. So it's good that we are running after things in one way, because then only then after running after things, for many years, you realize that, you're not still getting what you are seeking. And then you realize that actually what you're seeking is this peace, this stillness, this contentment, this fulfillment, which is ever present within us. So here Kabir says, मन तू समझ के लाद लदनिया, पीना हो तो इहा पी ले, आगे देश निपनिया. So this ever present grace that everyone else is full of, and that the whole existence is full of, that only can be seen when our mind is rest, when we are tired of our attempts and manipulations in this life. So he says, मन तू समझ के लाद लदनिया, पीना हो तो यहाँ पी ले, हाँ आगे देश निपनिया. मन तू रे मन तू, हाँ मन तू समझ के लाद लदनिया, सौदा हो तो यहाँ कर ले, हाँ आगे हाट न बनिया. So it's Kabir's request that we must strike the right bargain. The right bargain is that I want my contentment, my peace at any cost, at any cost. And if we are all after our peace, I think nobody can stop this world to be more peaceful. So with this, I'll just sing take up the first bhajan. So it says, Hirna, Samaj Bhuj, Van Charna. So it's referring to the forests of spirituality, forest of the physical realm, the material realm, and the forest of the intellect, the mind. And it says, warns us, Hirna, Samaj Bhuj, Van Charna. So when you go into these forests, be very careful. Ek ban charna, tuje ban charna, tije ban pag nahi dharna. So the first forest is the forest of spirituality. So he says, you can go there and wander, it's okay. The second one is the forest of intellect. You can still go there. The third forest, where you can really get stuck, is the forest of the material world. It's the forest of the senses. And they are the one who really kind of eat ourselves up. Tije ban mein 5 pardi. So he's saying that in the third forest, there are 5 hunters. So the hunters of 5 senses, what you see, what you smell, what you taste, what you hear, what you touch, you feel, all these sensations. These 5 hunters, you should never, get face to face with. Why? Because they will eat you up. They will eat your flesh up and they will sell it in the market. And you will be, scattered. You will be nowhere. And then he says how to rest yourself. So in the last he says, Kahe Kabira, suno bhai sadho, Guru ke charan chit dharna. So he's saying ki Guru ke charan, you can now rest your presence. You must rest at the feet of the Guru, else you will be eaten up by the senses. So Guru is any words, any physical presence where we feel that we are under light, we are under protection. We don't feel that darkness that really haunts us most of the time. So that is Guru. So I'll begin with this song. In this song, I'm not using any instrument because this is a slow one. Hirna, 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 samajh bujh ban charna, hirna, 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 samajh bujh ban charna, hirna, hirna, ek ban charna, ek बान चरना दूजे बान चरना तीजे बान पग नहीं धरना हीरना 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 समझ बूझ बन चरना हीरना हीरना तीजे बन में तीजे बन में पांच पारधी उनके नजर नहीं पड़ना हीरना 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 समझ बूझ बन चरना हीरना हीरना तोहे मार तेरो मांस बिकवे तोहे मार तेरो मांस बिकवे बिकवे तेरे खाल का करेंगे बिछौना हीरना 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 समझ बूझ बन चरना हीरना हीरना कहे कबीरा जो सुनो भाई साधो कहे कबीरा जो सुनो भाई साधो गुरु के चरण चित धरना हीरना 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 समझ बूझ बन चरना हीरना 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 समझ बूझ बन चरना हीरना हीरना. So that was one which is from what Kabir says is Chetavani. So it's a warning for all of us. And of course, we slip many times. So first of all, we don't even know which path to take in our lives. And then once you get to realize what path to take, you slip. But then the warrior is one who forever keeps on slipping, but then he also keeps on learning from his mistakes. And not to give up, on ourselves that I cannot do it. So this path, which is just towards ourselves, leading towards within, is a treacherous path, and one needs to have a lot of patience on this path.
Thank you.
So do I stop in between or just continue?
No, you can continue.
Okay.
I just wanted to thank.
Thank you. So I'll take a couple of dohas and then take the next bhajan. So Kabir says, Maya mari na man mara, ha mar gaye sharir, Asha Trishna na mari, ha keh gaye das Kabir. So we think that we are going to die and we are very afraid of it. But we don't realize that we actually, the body dies, but our tendencies, our sanskar, our patterns of behavior, they actually don't die. It's like a potly of tendencies that we have, which we are born with. and we are given this human life to get ourselves detached from that potly so that we can come closer to our essence. But because we don't pay much effort to it, don't give much time to it, what happens is we carry this pattern of tendencies along with to the next life. So it goes on, nothing dies. So Kabir says that ना माया मरती है, ना मन मरता है, मर मर गए शरीर, आशा तृष्णा ना मरी. So our tendencies, our expectations, our demands, we carry on in our next life. आशा तृष्णा ना मरी, कह गए दास कबीर. आगे कह रहे हैं, माया माया सब कहे और माया लखे न कोई, जो मन से ना उतरे हाँ माया कहिए सोई. So Kabir is now revealing to us what is Maya. So माया माया सब बात करते हैं, but माया कोई पहचानता नहीं है. माया लखे ना कोई, जो मन से ना उतरे सो माया कहिए सोए. So anything that heavies the mind, anything that burdens the mind, that can be a person, that can be a situation, that can be expectations, demands, anything that is sticking to the mind, that is not letting the mind to be still, that is keeping us away from the essence, is Maya. It's a very delicate wheel that comes in between of our true essence uh, and the reality and the perception. And in the last Kabir says how to still your mind, how to get contented fulfillment in this moment right now. How? So he's saying there's one trick to it which is very easy on the shallow layers. It seems very easy. साचे गुरु के पक्ष में हाँ मन को दे ठहराए, चंचल से निश्चल बया नहीं आवे नहीं जाए. So whenever we take a sankalp, whenever we take a pledge that we want to live this way in our life, the problem that comes is that we keep on slipping from the path and then coming on, slipping from the path, then coming on. So he's saying, साचे गुरु के पक्ष में मन को दे ठहराए. So if you have really found true guru, just settle there. Just tell your mind that I'm going to be there. You have to train your mind for that. Then only the mind will turn from chanchal to nishchal, from a tendency of just like wavering all the time to now settled, because now it realizes the importance of this peace, this light, this harmony in the life. And then the mind stops wandering. So you still enjoy the life. It's not that we stop enjoying the life. We still enjoy the life, but there is a fulfillment from which we are enjoying the life. We are not seeking the fulfillment outside. The fulfillment is there, and now I am enjoying the life. And I'll take the next bhajan with this, which is about, again, a warning of this chore called death. So Kabir is saying, Jagrat rehna re, nagar mein chor aave hai. So we have to be very awake. We have very limited time to do the work we have to do in this human life. Very limited time. And any time the chore can arrive. Any time can the chore that will take this life away from us, this opportunity, this golden opportunity that has been given to us for getting away of all the baggage that we have in the mind, in the thoughts and emotions. So he's saying the chore comes very slowly. He doesn't make any sound. गढ़ नहीं तोड़े, किला नहीं फोड़े, ना कोई रूप दिखाएगा. And he doesn't he doesn't care about your world कि तुमने क्या चादर फैला रखी है, तुम्हारे बच्चे, तुम्हारे घर बार. He doesn't care about that. He just takes you away. That's his job. So Kabir is saying, यह मुल्क वीराना कोई नहीं यहाँ अपना, मुट्ठी बांधकर आया तो बंदे, हाथ पसारे जाएगा. It does not mean that the people are not ours. It means that the people are very much ours. But the thing is that we seek contentment through people. that is a wrong, misplaced emotion. We seek fulfillment through emotions, through seeking it from situations. That is a misplaced. So he's saying ki first get settled within yourself, find the jewel, find the hira that you are in essence, and then you begin to live this life so that you are not afraid of death anymore. जागृत रहना रे नगर में चोर आवे है, होशियार रहना रे नगर में चोर आवे है, होशियार रहना रे नगर में चोर आवे है, चोर आवेगा एक दिन, हाँ चोर आवेगा एक दिन, काल आवेगा, होशियार रहना रे नगर में चोर आवेगा, जागृत रहना रे नगर में चोर आवेगा, तीर तोप तलवार न बरछी न बंदूक चलावेगा, तीर तोप तलवार न बरछी न बंदूक चलावेगा, आवत जात नजर नहीं आवे, आवत जात नजर नहीं आवे, भीतर घूम घुमावेगा, होशियार रहना रे नगर में चोर आवेगा, जागृत रहना रे नगर में चोर आवेगा, गढ़ नहीं तोड़े किला नहीं फोड़े न बंदूक चलावेगा, गढ़ नहीं तोड़े किला नहीं फोड़े ना कोई रूप दिखावेगा, इस नगरी से कोई काम नहीं रे, इस नगरी से कोई काम नहीं, वो तुझे पकड़ ले जावेगा, होशियार रहना रे नगर में चोर आवेगा, जागृत रहना रे नगर में चोर आवेगा, धन दौलत तेरा माल खजीना यही धरा रह जाएगा, धन दौलत तेरा माल खजीना यही धरा रह जाएगा, भाई बंधु और कुटुंब कबीला, भाई बंधु और कुटुंब कबीला घरे देख रह जावेगा, होशियार रहना रे नगर में चोर आवेगा, जागृत रहना रे नगर में चोर आवेगा, कहे कबीर ये मुल्क वीराना कोई नहीं यहाँ अपना, कहे कबीर ये मुल्क वीराना कोई नहीं यहाँ अपना, मुट्ठी बांध कर आया तू बंदे, मुट्ठी बांध कर आया तू बंदे, हाथ पसारे जावेगा, होशियार रहना रे नगर में चोर आवेगा, जागृत रहना रे नगर में चोर आवेगा, होशियार रहना रे नगर में चोर आवेगा. So when he says मुट्ठी बांधकर आया तो बंदे हाथ पसारे जाएगा, so we keep on holding on to a lot of things, you know, we don't want to hide it, don't want to, you know, reveal it to the divine. We want to keep, you know, possessing it, you know, kahin ye mere se chin na jaye. So he's inviting us that we should already open our hands right now, because that is how we have to go. So just reveal everything you are hiding, all your shadows, all your darkness, all your pride, all your vanity, because you cannot take it. It's not a human burden, it's a divine burden. So just don't, put so much of pressure on yourself. Reveal it all to the divine. And so that you can live light, you can live easy. Because that is how you can, go on. That is how you have to go on. So why not just give it right away? Which is very beautiful state of being, because it lets us being light and live.
Just to let you know, you have comments on the chat box. A lot of them are commenting.
So the next bhajan I am taking is there is a joy in the being. So Kabir has several अंग कहते हैं उसको, चेतावनी का अंग, सूरमा का अंग. तो यहाँ पे जो है, it's like a gratitude कि you can feel the presence within. The seeker can feel the presence within, and he's very grateful that the divine is being felt now in this very body. So he's saying, the seeker is saying, मैं वारी जाऊं रे, बलिहारी जाऊं रे, मेरा सतगुरु आंगन आया, मैं वारी जाऊं रे. So it's a song of gratitude. It's a song of answer to the seeking, that my seeking has been answered. And again, the seeking is once answered, one has to keep working on it, because it's not like one-time job. It's a lifetime job. मैं वारी जाऊं रे, बलिहारी जाऊं रे, मैं वारी जाऊं रे, बलिहारी जाऊं रे, मेरा सतगुरु आंगन आया, मैं वारी जाऊं रे, मेरा दिल गुरु आंगन आया, मैं वारी जाऊं रे. हाँ, वारी जाऊं रे, बलिहारी जाऊं रे, मैं वारी जाऊं रे, बलिहारी जाऊं रे, मेरा सतगुरु आंगन आया, मैं वारी जाऊं रे, मेरा दिल गुरु आंगन आया, मैं वारी जाऊं रे. सतगुरु आंगन आया, गंगा गोमती नाया रे, सतगुरु आंगन आया, गंगा गोमती नाया रे, मेरी निर्मल हो गई काया, मैं वारी जाऊं रे, मेरी निर्मल हो गई काया, मैं वारी जाऊं रे. हाँ, वारी जाऊं रे, बलिहारी जाऊं रे, हाँ, वारी जाऊं रे, बलिहारी जाऊं रे, मेरा सतगुरु आंगन आया, मैं वारी जाऊं रे, मेरा दिल गुरु आंगन आया, मैं वारी जाऊं रे. सब सखी मिलकर हालो, केसर तिलक लगावो रे, सब सखी मिलकर हालो, केसर तिलक लगावो रे. हाँ, घड़े हेत सूले वो बधाई, वारी जाऊं रे, हाँ, घड़े हेत सूले वो बधाई, वारी जाऊं रे. सतगुरु दर्शन दीन्हा, भाग्य उदेहि कीना रे, सतगुरु दर्शन दीन्हा, भाग्य उदेहि कीना रे, मेरा धर्म भरम सब छीना, मैं वारी जाऊं रे, मेरा धर्म भरम सब छीना, मैं वारी जाऊं रे. वारी जाऊं रे, बलिहारी जाऊं रे, हाँ, वारी जाऊं रे, बलिहारी जाऊं रे, मेरा सतगुरु, मेरा दिल गुरु, मेरा सतगुरु आंगन आया, मैं वारी जाऊं रे. हाँ, सतगुरु आंगन आया, मैं वारी जाऊं रे. सत्संगी बन गई भारी, मंगला गाँव उचारी रे, सखी बन गई भारी भारी, मंगला गाऊं चारी रे, मेरी खुली हृदय की ताली, मैं बारी जाऊं रे, मेरी खुली हृदय की ताली, मैं बारी जाऊं रे। दास नारायण जस गायो, चरणों में शीस निमायो रे, दास नारायण जस गायो, चरणों में शीस निमायो रे, मेरा सतगुरु पार उतारे, मैं बारी जाऊं रे, हाँ सतगुरु पार उतारे, मैं बारी जाऊं रे, मेरा दिल गुरु पार उतारे, मैं बारी जाऊं रे। So this is the beauty of this path, where he says, now I don't have to do anything. मेरा सतगुरु पार उतारे. So once you just leave open, reveal yourself and keep on continue revealing yourself to the divine essence within, not hiding anything, then the divine does the task for us. We don't have to, struggle through it, because now the whole life has been offered. So the whole burden of doing, struggling, living a life has been just completely given away to the divine. So are there any questions? I didn't see any. Okay. Yeah. So I'll again take a few dohas. जेती लहर समुद्र की, तेती मन की दौड़, सहजे हीरा नीपजे, हाँ जो मन आवे ठौर। तो कबीर कह रहे हैं कि जितनी समुद्र की लहरें होती हैं, इतनी ही लहरें हमारी कॉन्शियसनेस में होती हैं. सो यू सिट डाउन टू मेडिटेट एंड यू रियलाइज, यू सी that every moment, you are getting like heaps and heaps of thoughts just keeps on coming again and again and again. And how do you get to the essence within? He's saying कि लहरें तो अनंत हैं समुंदर में, सहजे हीरा नीपजे जो मन आवे ठोर. अब मन कैसे ठोर आवे? क्योंकि मन ठोर आता नहीं है. Because we think that the divine within us is not enough. Because when I begin on this path of surrender, I realize that if I go deeper within, if I begin to traverse this path within, on the way there are many expectations and demands that keep on coming. What if I don't get this job? What if my child gets this? What if तो ऐसा लगता है कि जो डिवाइन है वो हमसे कम जानता है. The divine knows less than us. I know the best. Or one has to really, with the reason of the mind, one has to realize that is not true. Because how I have lived my life until now, I can see that it's not my plan that works. It's a higher plan that works. And once you begin to reason it, question it, you realize that I actually can be at rest. But it's not, that easy. Because you see that you begin to dive deeper within, and you are just surrounded with so much of fears. So I'll take Priyanka's question. How can I see Priyanka's question?
Just a moment. Priyanka, interesting question. डर के नहीं. Priyanka, no, she was commenting on the question in the song, in the bhajan. So she's saying that it's an interesting question.
What is it? What is the comment?
Just a moment. If you go in the chat box, you can see, but I can read it out to you. Priyanka, can you ask your question again? Please type in your question again. She's just typing in. We have muted everybody to keep the lines clear. I got a chance. What is mind fears complete surrender? No, Monica. Monica, you were muted.
Okay. So in complete surrender, I don't have to hide anything from the divine. So when I see this movement within my being, that my mind is fearing surrender, I reveal it to the divine. If I reveal it, for example, if I believe in Ma, Kali, or anybody, Sai Baba, so I say within myself, that to the light within myself, look now, the mind is saying that it is fearing surrender. So everything that moves within my being, any thought, any feeling that is shadowy, dark, especially that is shadowy, dark, has to be revealed. Now if my mind is fearing surrender, I have to give it to the divine. See, the divine, my mind is fearing surrender. I don't have to do anything with it. I have to just give it, offer it. So any shadow, any darkness that I see within myself, I have to just give it, because it's not my burden to carry. I am the child of the divine. So जब बच्चे को प्रॉब्लम होती है तो बच्चा क्या करता है? सबसे पहले माँ को बुलाता है, सबसे पहले मम्मी को बुलाता है. तो हमने क्या किया? हमने अपने ऊपर कुछ ज्यादा ही भार ले लिया है. हमको लगता है वी आर सो केपेबल that I can just go through and take all the darkness within myself and steer my life. That is too much of a misplaced expectation. A child of the divine, if you really want to walk on this path, which is surrender, he has to just completely give himself with all the bullshit that we carry to the mother, to the divine. So any movement, any fear, any doubt that I see, I have to reveal, show it. देखो ये आज मुझे ये मिला. आज मैं अंदर गई अपने, तो आज मुझे ये डाउट मिला. I don't have to do anything with it. So I'll just go ahead then. एक घड़ी आधो घड़ी और आधो हूँ सो आध, कबीर संगति साधु की, हाँ कटे कोटि अपराध. So Kabir is saying that we keep ourselves occupied in so much of stuff. We should also give importance. To Sangati of sadhu. Now, what is sadhu? It's not necessary that it is a physical presence. Anything that tells us that I am close to myself, I am getting deeper and deeper within myself. That is sadhana. So Kabir कह रहे हैं कि एक घड़ी आधो हूं सो आध. आप चाहे इतना सा टाइम भी पूरे दिन में से निकालें उस संगति के लिए, that is very, very important. Why is it important? Because it काटोज your अपराध. जो पाप, जो sin का भंडार हम अपने सर पे लेके बैठे हैं, अपने आप को heavy करके बैठे हैं, उससे हमको अपने ऊपर जो judgment हम लेके बैठे हुए हैं, that I have been such a sinner, it cuts all that. So it is very important for all of us to get some time in our daily life as a practice, so that it lightens us and it unburdens us. Then, हरिजन केवल होत है जाको हरि का संग, विपत्ति पड़े बिसरे नहीं, हाँ छाड़े चै गुण रंग. So he's saying कि हरिजन उसको कहते हैं जो हरि का संग ही चाहिए उसको, सिर्फ और कुछ नहीं चाहिए. हमें क्या चाहिए होता है? हमें तो सब कुछ चाहिए होता है ना. हमको तो घर बार भी चाहिए, बच्चे भी चाहिए, जॉब भी चाहिए, पैसे भी चाहिए. So we have like a list of expectations and demands from our life. So he's saying कि हरिजन उसको कहते हैं जिसको सिर्फ हरि का संग चाहिए और कुछ नहीं चाहिए. और कैसे हरि का संग कैसे चाहिए? विपत्ति पड़े बिसरे नहीं. वो जब मुसीबत, भारी मुसीबत में भी होता है वो बंदा, तो वो उसको भूलता नहीं है हरि को. उसके दिमाग में ये डाउट नहीं आता कि why have you given this difficulty to me? because he knows, he has so much of faith in the divine, that difficulty has been given to me to again reveal something that is present in me that I have not been in touch with. तो ऐसा एक सूरमा, कबीर सूरमा की बहुत बात करते हैं, तो उसमें कबीर यही कहते हैं कि सूरमा ऐसा कि जो अपने ऊपर सारे घाव लेने के लिए तैयार है, बट उसको हरि का संगी चाहिए. उसने एक बार जब सोच लिया कि मैंने सरेंडर कर दिया है, अब वो फिर मुश्किलों के बारे में सोचेगा नहीं. Every मुश्किल, every difficulty now becomes a step further ahead in the journey, closer to the divine. One step closer to the divine. One step closer to the divine. When I want to say closer to the divine, it does not mean that the divine is far away from us. It means that there are many layers of things and resistances in our nature that keep us away. It means that I am now ready to dissolve those layers and move closer to my essence. So with this, I'll just take the next bhajan. So this is called Chadariya Jhini Re Jhini. This is another version. It's a very popular song. So he's referring to the body, this body, this human being that has been given to us. कि ये जो चदरिया है, ये it's a very delicate, fragile thing that we have got. और उसकी delicate existence का हमें तब पता लगता है जब हम बीमार पड़ते हैं, जब हम हमारी बॉडी में कुछ तकलीफ चल रही होती है, तो हमें पता लगता है कि every process in the body is just running so smoothly, and we have never kind of really, we have always taken it for granted. So कह रहे हैं कि ये जो चदरिया दी है, ये राम नाम के रस में बनी हुई है. It's soaked in the divine. अष्ट कमल दल चरखा चालन 5 तत्व की पूंजी. So 5 तत्व से बनी हुई है. और अष्ट कमल, so जो 8 chakras हैं, referring to the 8 chakras, they are not in the body, they are in the other realm, but we can feel them in the body. 9-10 मास बुनन को लागे, it takes 9-10 months to make it, referring to the process of creation. मूरख मैली कीनी, तो इतने जतन से जो तूने एक चदरिया तेरे लिए बनाई गई, तूने वो पैदा होते ही तूने मैली करनी शुरू कर दी. और मैली हम कैसे करते हैं? मैली हम अपने आप को बर्डन करके, अपने आप को सरेंडर ना करके, अपने आप को भारी करके, अंडर द वेट्स ऑफ आवर ओन एक्सपेक्टेशंस. दिस इज हाउ वी मैली इट, डर्टी इट. जद मोरी चादर बन घर आई, धोबियन के धर दीनी, सूरत शिला पर दे पटकाई, इस विधि निर्मल कीनी. तो जब चादर आई आपके पास, आपने पहचानी कि मेरे पास एक चादर है, आपने क्या किया? उसको धोबी को दे दिया, गुरु के हाथ में दे दिया. गुरु ने उसको अवेयरनेस की शिला पर, सूरत की शिला पर पटका के, अटेंशन में ला के उसको फिर उसको धोया कि ये देख तूने अपने ऊपर क्या चिपकाया था, ये देख तूने अपने ऊपर क्या चिपकाया था. सो यू गेट टू काइंड ऑफ scrape away the layers upon the layers of dust from you. ये चादर रंगरेज के दीनी, भांत भांत रंग दीनी, प्रेम पति का रंग चढ़ाया, पीली पितांबर कीनी. तो रंगरेज referring to the colors of the divine. There are various shades of the divine that are present in the world. Million people, million shades. So there is no one divine shade. But once you give it to the divine, it then colors it's in its own way. So for example, I can just take a few examples. Somebody can be just devoted to Krishna throughout his life, somebody to Sai Baba, somebody to the mother. There are several ways. Somebody to Nirgun. And in the last he says, ध्रुव ओढ़ी प्रहलाद ने ओढ़ी, सुखदेव निर्मल कीनी, दास कबीर ने जतन से ओढ़ी, ज्यों की त्यों धर दीनी. तो दास का किन लोगों ने उसको साफ रखा? भक्तों के नाम लिए गए हैं, जिन्होंने जिंदगी ऐसे जी कि अपने आप को प्यूरिफाई करते रह गए, पूरी जिंदगी भर अपने आप को प्यूरिफाई करते रहे. ध्रुव ने ओढ़ी, प्रहलाद ने ओढ़ी, और सुखदेव ने निर्मल कीनी. उन्होंने चादर को साफ रखा, उसको निर्मल रखा. दास कबीर ने कैसे ओढ़ी? उसने जतन से ओढ़ी. उसने ना बहुत मेहनत करी उसके ऊपर. हमारी मेहनत जो होती है वो बाकी सारी जगह होती है, अपार्ट फ्रॉम द फोकस ऑन आवर ओन सेल्फ. तो कह रहे हैं कि कबीर ने बहुत मेहनत करके इस चादर को साफ रखा है. और जब जब जाने का मौका आया तो उसने ज्यों की त्यों धर दीनी, जैसी मिली थी प्योर इनोसेंट, ज्यों की त्यों धर दीनी चदरिया झीनी रे झीनी. So it will be a delight if we can even think of, treading this path of kind of, cleaning ourselves bit by bit, and not indulge in anything else. Because if every person is just involved in cleaning himself, I think that is enough. The world is taken care of. We give too much attention to the outside, and in that we just kind of lose it mostly. चदरिया झीनी रे झीनी है जी राम नाम रस बीनी. चदरिया झीनी रे झीनी है जी राम नाम रस बीनी. चदरिया झीनी रे झीनी अष्ट कमल दल चरखा चालन, पांच तत्व की पूनी. चदरिया पांच तत्व की पूनी. अष्ट कमल दल चरखा चालन, पांच तत्व की पूनी. पांच तत्व की पूनी. 9-10 मास बुनन को लागे, 9-10 मास बुनन को लागे. मूरख मैली कीनी. चदरिया झीनी रे झीनी है जी राम नाम रस बीनी. चदरिया झीनी रे झीनी. जद मोरी चादर बन घर आई, धोबियन के घर दीनी. चदरिया धोबियन के घर दीनी. सुरत शिला पर दे पटकाई, सुरत शिला पर दे पटकाई. इस विधि निर्मल कीनी. चदरिया झीनी रे झीनी झीनी रे झीनी है जी राम नाम रस बीनी. चदरिया झीनी रे झीनी. ये चादर रंग रेज के दीनी, भांत भांत रंग दीनी. चदरिया भांत भांत रंग दीनी. प्रेम पति का रंग चढ़ाया, प्रेम पति का रंग चढ़ाया. या पीली पीतांबर कीनी. चदरिया झीनी रे झीनी झीनी रे झीनी है जी राम नाम रस बीनी. चदरिया झीनी रे झीनी. ध्रुव ओढ़ी पर लाद ने ओढ़ी, सुखदेव निर्मल कीनी. चदरिया सुखदेव निर्मल कीनी. दास कबीर ने जतन से ओढ़ी, दास कबीर ने युक्ति से ओढ़ी. जो की त्यों धर दीनी. चदरिया झीनी रे झीनी है जी राम नाम रस बीनी. चदरिया झीनी रे झीनी झीनी रे झीनी झीनी रे झीनी. So when he says Ram Nam Rasbini, it just tells us that we are so close to what we seek. The whole body, each and every pore of the body is made of divine essence. And the task that we have in this life is to awaken that essence. It cannot be done without attention. It cannot be done without effort. It cannot be done without our own will to know it, to do it. But if I can say the misery is that we give importance to everything else in the life than awakening our own essence, awakening our own divine. So here, just a couple of dohas, and then I think I can take the last bhajan after that. So Kabir is saying, जो पाथर में आग है, त्यों घट में करतार, जो चाहो दीदार को, तो चकमक होके जा. जिस तरह पत्थर में आग है जो दिखती नहीं है बट है, उसी तरह से तुम्हारे घट में दिस बाउंड्री, दिस फॉर्म हैज द प्रेजेंस, हैज द डिवाइन. अगर तुम चाहो दीदार को, the problem is that we don't want it fully. We don't want it fully. We want several other things, but we don't want it. जो चाहो दीदार को, तो चकमक होके जार. So chakmak is that patthar. You have to kind of, do tish, tish, tish. You have to do the friction. You have to do the churning. Only then you can go within and connect to the divine essence. We all have experiences of connecting to the divine essence, being in touch with the divine essence. The only problem is that we don't pay enough time to be with it. The only problem is that we don't give it enough attention. We think that our life is moving on. And that is why experiences like very difficult moments, tragedies, diseases like cancer or, life-threatening diseases, they come as a very powerful knock on the head. They tell that all my life, what I have been doing, oh my God, now it's coming to an end. What now? Sach kya hai? So then in that moment, if the grace is there, then you can really connect very strongly to that divine. And the journey does not end there. The journey just begins. So once you get the taste of the connection, it's your duty, it's the responsibility to just continue the connection and not get it diluted on the way. Again, Kabir emphasizes this through many, many, many dohas. One more doha on this. मन मक्का दिल द्वार का, काया काशी जान, 10 द्वार का देहरा, तामे जोत पहचान. So he's saying you don't have to go anywhere. And it's beautiful, the present times that are going on. We don't have to actually go anywhere. I cannot go out to a temple or to a meditative place or to, a shrine, which I used to feel sacred or holy. मन मक्का, दिल द्वारका, काया काशी जान, 10 द्वार का पिंजरा, इसी बॉडी की बात करी जा रही है, तामे जोत पहचान. So if you really want to seek that fulfillment, that contentment, that divinity, you don't have to go anywhere. You still your mind, इसी को साफ रखना है. You get peace in your heart, इसी का ध्यान रखना है, हार्ट का. और इसी काया को, इसी काया की नगरी को हमने साफ रखना है, मैला नहीं करना है. And when we say मैला नहीं करना है, he is referring to how we just run after the senses and dirty it. So there is a fulfillment that we seek through the senses. He is again and again warning us not to seek that fulfillment because it cannot be gotten there. You can enjoy the senses, you can live the senses, but you cannot, if you begin to live a life only for the senses, you will just keep on falling down again and again. So live your life as if you've already, on the senses. So the senses is that I get attracted to whatever I see. I get attracted to whatever I listen. or I get aversive to whatever I listen. I get attracted to whatever I smell or taste. That is how I have likes and dislikes. And for example, if somebody touches my body, it feels nice. So I get attracted to that. Now, the thing is that if I am not connected within, if I am not in touch with my own fulfillment within, I will run after those things which give me pleasure, which give me content, a feeling of contentment, temporary contentment. Now, those things are, again, as I am temporary, those things are also temporary. For example, my kid, I might be completely in love with my kid or my spouse, but he's also temporary. My kid is also temporary. Now, if I completely let them in my inner temple, that you are the one in my life and you are the one who fulfill my life, they can go anyway, they can be taken away any moment. Then only there is a deep shock that I realize, oh my God, now I feel completely empty, as if I had given my inner temple to someone and the God is now gone. So the senses are to be enjoyed. The mind is to be enjoyed. The heart is to be enjoyed. Or everything is to be enjoyed, but not for their own sake. As Khalil Gibran, if you have read his thing, what he says on marriage and on love, he says that the only thing that can house your inner chamber is God. The importance that we give to external people, kids, situations, houses, anything that is external, that is palpable through senses, it's too much of an importance. And that importance houses in our heart. And when it is taken away, then we are kind of nowhere. And it's very difficult to come out of that depression, that loneliness, when somebody close to us disappears, when somebody very close to us dies. It's okay to feel the void, but one has to realize that it is actually a temporary game. You cannot do anything about it. The only purpose of us being here is to connect with the divine essence. There is no doubt about it. There is no doubt about it. And in connecting to the divine essence, you tread on a path which is a holy path. अब उस पे जो भी गलतियां होती हैं, वो गलतियां तुम सुधार सकते हो. It's a path of progress. उस पे जो भी shadows दिखती हैं, darkness दिखती है, उसको तुम देख सकते हो और offer कर सकते हो. It's a path of progress. We all know, बुरा जो देखन मैं चला, बुरा न मिलिया कोई, जो मन खोजा आपना, मुझसे बुरा न कोई. So all the people are just reflections of me. Now slowly, I have to offer all this darkness to the divine. There is no other way. There is no other way, somehow. And this divine, not everybody has to be, using this word divine. People can use, I want to progress in life. I want to, do something with my life really beautiful. That is also divine. So just last one, in which Kabir says, Sab chala chali ka khela, because it really kind of bends well with what I was saying right now. Just let me find it. If there is any question in the meantime, I can just take it. Okay. So the last one. So here Kabir says, Sab chala chali ka khela, do din ka hai jug mein mela, sab chala chali ka khela. And if we really go closer to this song, it is not a depressing song. As Sneha would also understand, because she talks a lot on death and holds meetings and circles on death. It brings us closer to life. Talking about death brings us closer so that we don't take everything for granted. We value this precious life that we have got. Sab chala chali ka khela, सब चला चली का खेला जी, सब चला चली का खेला, सब चला चली का खेला जी, 2 दिन का है जुग में मेला, सब चला चली का खेला। 2 दिन का है जुग में मेला, सब चला चली का खेला। कोई चला गया कोई जावे, कोई गठड़ी बांध सिधावे जी, कोई चला गया कोई जावे, कोई गठड़ी बांध सिधावे जी, कोई खड़ा तैयार अकेला, सब चला चली का खेला। कोई खड़ा तैयार अकेला, सब चला चली का खेला। कर पाप कपट जाल माया, धन लाख करोड़ कमाया जी, कर पाप कपट जाल माया, धन लाख करोड़ कमाया जी, संग चले नहीं एक धेला, सब चला चली का खेला। संग चले नहीं एक धेला, सब चला चली का खेला। घर मात पिता सब भाई, तेरा अंत सुहायक नाही जी, घर मात पिता सब भाई, घर तेरा अंत सुहायक नाही जी, उड़ जाएगा हंस अकेला, सब चला चली का खेला। उड़ जाएगा हंस अकेला, सब चला चली का खेला। ये नश्वर सब संसारा, कर भजन प्रभु का प्यारा जी, ये नश्वर सब संसारा, कर भजन प्रभु का प्यारा जी, ब्रह्मानंद कहे सुन चेला, सब चला चली का खेला। ब्रह्मानंद कहे सुन चेला, सब चला चली का खेला, सब चला चली का खेला, सब चला चली का खेला. So it's a very beautiful opportunity for all of us when we know and we realize that it's actually a game of going on, and change is the only thing that is constant. Why not connect to the immortality within us right now? Why not give it, the most priority? Thank you.
Thank you so much, Monica. Thank you so much for coming and singing for us and giving 1 hour of your time. I have stopped the recording and